Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today's video is something different. Today I am going to share few tips, like few styling tips, especially for short girls. So if you have someone short around you, just share this video with them. And if you are short, then don't worry, I myself, I am really short in my real life. Okay, so these are just few styling tips without wearing heels. So you can just follow them, and these are literally tried and tested by me because I am literally short and I just try few styling methods here and there, and I have just figured out few things. So I would like to share that with you guys today. So do subscribe if you haven't already and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yes, and now without wasting time, let's go into the video. Try wearing full length jumpsuit. Yes, for short girls it gives the illusion of long legs, and it may feel that you are heighted and you have long legs. So yes, just give it a try. Try full length jumpsuit and it looks amazing. It looks really superb, and it gives the illusion that you are heighted. And as I am wearing this blue jumpsuit which I have got from local store from Nagar, and yes, it is looking really superb on me, and yes, it gives the illusion that I am tall. I am not that tall in my real life, but yes, our styling of clothes literally affects on the illusion of people, so you may look heighted. Next tip is that yes, wear high-waisted jeans and crop top. This will also give illusion of having longer legs, and yes, you may look taller. And adding on this, you can wear ankle length jeans because ankle length jeans shows your ankle from below, and this also gives the illusion that you are looking tall. And if you are wearing anything that is not ankle, it will literally feel that you are short. Just try it out on your own body. Try to keep your hair up, and it gives the illusion that you are looking longer and taller. Okay guys, next tip is that if you are layering anything, wear matching inside, like top and bottom should be of same color. So this monochrome will help you to give the illusion of having longer body, and your layering will not look that tacky on you. Similarly, on your traditional outfits, you must have seen on my Instagram that my all the traditional outfits have top and bottom of same color and dupatta of different color, because this literally gives the illusion of you having long height. Avoid wearing clothes that are having horizontal stripes. Start wearing clothes that are having vertical stripes. Yes, vertical stripes also give the illusion of you looking taller. Okay, so try wearing V-neck t-shirts. This literally gives a space between your head and your neck, so your neck is visible. So it means that it also gives illusion of longer neck and you look tall. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you got something new to learn from this video. And if you have, do hit like to this video, and do let me know in the comment section if you have any questions related to this. I will definitely try and answer all of them. Yes, that was all for today. See you in next video. Bye bye. Before that, do subscribe. Bye bye.